What is up, guys? Today is the weekend again. We are always doing car content on the weekend. So we are going to the hidden workshop to do some stuff with the 4B1X boys. Today is quite a big one. Most probably it's gonna take a lot of time to do. So we have to start in the morning because we are worried that it might take a bit of time and we might not have enough time. So yeah, let's head to the hidden workshop. Cootie. We have arrived at secret workshop already. Wow. Body part banyak. Oh, all the tools we have. Today we changing to Maki. What body part is this, Maki? What body part is this? What we changing to?
V3.
Varis V3 front and back kah?
Ya.
Wase man.
Orang saja.
Ikut orang ni.
Bukan leader.
Mengikut saja eh.
Oh, ya.
Oh. So we have the front lip install straight away. And senang pasang later. Wait, if this lip, then one is called what? Lower lip.
This one. Lip cover.
Yeah, meh? Really? Yeah?
Cover this part. But useless no useless.
It's alive. Togo. Wow. Open bumper already. So fast. Oh. This shit is good.
Babi.
Sure ah. Lip plus the bumper is already on. And they already removed the bumper. Was it hard removing the bumper? Easy.
Boleh lah. Actually, that was a bit most of the work.
Masih student. Why you steal the rim? One rim saja. Masih ada 3 sana. Real bumper fit man. Oh, cannot use the crash bar anymore if use this.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This one is center lah. Link to do move over here. Thank you. Done already. Yeah, hold to the
Double tape.
to the place lah.
For double tape.
No.
Already suspect lah. Nice. Can lah.
Doesn't look that bad.
Sekali install nampak. This one to give tension, I think.
Oh boy. 3. Next target. Tari pegang. Oh. Kanak.
White boy.
We have opened the front bumper. Boleh tahan susah. Oh, cable tie be gone.
Yes.
Okay, careful mak.
Ang tebal lah. Almost done. Ay, apa tu?
Confused.
Alright. Huh?
Bumper off.
This one got buyer ring lah.
Huh?
Got buyer ring lah.
No.
No.
Never. No. You need to remove the one first, then kasih besi first. So yeah lah. I mean, this one we make it bigger lah. Yeah. We make it bigger.
How's it looking, Mark?
Got there.
Jun.
Someone take a picture of the car. Then after a lot of
Hey, you can watch my video. Later I screenshot you the video.
my favorite. Mine. Skoda, the original Kia.
Yeah. Woo, boy. How do you cabut this basically?
The repair need to drill out.
Oh, I see. So I have to cabut this one. Ni punya teh. Saya separuh. Maki has came back from exhaust shop. Apa macam the exhaust? Hey, where's the other exhaust? Only one. Whoa, look at that. Oh, say. Hey. Yeah.
It's under check floor.
What?
It's front under check floor. I thought that was one cable tie.
Really? Cabut ah?
Good thing no covering it. In time to get it.
Done the rest now. Side skirt time. Ah.
This one buka later. Cabut.
Oh. Off. 4 screw.
Better do one side first, later reverse, then sekali do the
One here, one here. Jacking spot.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like to get mine only weekends I watch on weekdays and I watch yeah?
okay lah, tidak nampak.
You gonna cut that thing also kan?
No, only the bottom one.
Okay.
That's it.
Device nya. Wah, boleh mesin lah. Kau bisa kena tu.
This is almost finished. Oh my god. white side skirt though. Really skirt.
Sana, juga ikan, ikan. So yes, okay.
Where your hand, your finger?
Which part kena? Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
This one is stick. A bit lah rubbing. Yeah. Now your car look very racer, Maki.
Rice modes.
You can only.
You want the long thing? Got that right.
Done. Side skirt install. Uyo, aggressive eh. And so wide out. We have done installing the front bumper. Oh, you cannot see eh. So dark already. And the side skirt. Nice, okay. And the rear bumper. Looks good. Varis V3 rear bumper. V2 dah? Okay, V2 according to Tim. Side skirt eh, Tim? Not familiar with the side skirt, but V3 V. What is this side skirt? V.
This is V1.
Oh, V1. Okay. V1 and V3 bumper, which is dark, can't see, but you guys saw it in the previous part. Full Varis, except for the bonnet.
And the wing.
So yeah, that was the installation video. Hope you guys like it. For those who are interested, can contact us to change this. So yeah, Maki, close the video.
Thank you.